Hi friends! So today I'm going to be tackling some of my cabinets and drawers that are driving me crazy in my kitchen. These kitchen cabinets I use a lot, and I just want to take the time to declutter and organize them. So if you need some decluttering and organizing motivation, then this video is for you. Definitely stay tuned. All right, so this is what I'm starting with. This cabinet here, as you can see, it's a lot going on. Okay, I got my mixing bowls. I have my nice pasta dishes in the back. I have my Tupperware. I have my baking dishes. It's just like, we gotta see what's going on here. We need to do something. Plus, I just bought these brand new Rubbermaid Brilliance sets that I'm going to be replacing with the current set that I have. I'm gonna keep all the glass ones that I have, but all the plastic ones I'm just gonna get rid of and just use these and leave it at that. Okay, because I have way too many and I have too many lids and it's a mess. So I wanna get this together. This cabinet irritates me as well. It's like, what is going on? We need to get this together. I don't use this one as much, but this one I use every single time I cook, pretty much. So I've gotta get this right. I tried organizing this. Well, I did organize and declutter this cabinet years ago. Several years ago. It was great. My husband even reorganized this cabinet like last year sometime. And again, it's just nothing seems to be working. I just think we need to get rid of a lot of the things. So that's what I'm gonna work on today. You gotta say hi. No. Cabinet is pretty deep. I just didn't realize how much plasticware we had in there. And then I don't know what that plastic is that's falling out of the drawer from the top there. So hubby is handing me all of this and I am putting it in the appropriate piles. But the problem is, girl, the plasticware is just like on another level. It's on it's a lot. So we're definitely gonna downsize with this because this is, I didn't know all of this was in here. All right, this is everything here that I had in that cabinet. There are a few things here on the table as well. So this is the wrong section. I go through all of that and this. So I think the first thing I'm gonna do is go through all my plastic, like these Tupperware, and kind of downsize this. This pile are the things that I use the most. Like these bowls, the strainer, this white bowl I thaw my meat out in. So it's like, I use this stuff the most. Okay, I think the easiest thing for me to do with this is pick out the things that I want and put them in the cabinet nicely. And then everything else is just we'll have to see if I could recycle it or donate it or what. But yeah, I'm gonna pick out the things that I feel like I use the most of and put them over here by the cabinet. Make this pretty. There. Hubby's over here doing the Lord's work, tackling these lids. I have no idea how we got so many lids. I mean, like, really? I must have, when I decluttered a couple of years ago. I must not have gotten rid of some of the lids because it's ridiculous. So hubby is getting the lids together. Babe, you don't want to pick one color?
Okay.
What? You don't want to pick one color, honey?
Whatever you like. If you like,
what do you guys do? I'm such a nut. Like this one red one, it's just like random. If you want to do blue, let's just go all blue. Do we not? I don't think we have enough of those blues.
We don't have enough.
But we have enough reds. It's fine. It's just one red. I'll have to just let it go. All right. So we decided that we're going to donate all of these. The only ones we're going to keep are these. Of course, the Rubbermaid Brilliance, and then 2 of each size of these. The rest of these we're going to get rid of. He's going to pick out the appropriate lids. Some of these lids, like this lid goes for that big white bowl, but I never ever use a lid for that because I usually just, you know, thaw my meat out in there. And then lids like this go on my Pyrex dishes that go in a cabinet above. So it's just like, I should probably just keep the lid with the appropriate dish. I'm trying to think about where to put the stuff. The bigger stuff like these bowls and stuff, I grab for these bowls every time I cook. I grab for a strainer or calendar every time I cook. The cupcake baking, I don't bake with cupcakes often. I don't use those often, so those are gonna go in the back. As well as, you know, my bundt pans and my cornbread pans. Like I use that during the holidays only. So I'm just going to, it's not gonna be probably Pinterest worthy, but it'll be functional for me so that when anyone does the dishes, they'll know exactly where the pan is supposed to go. I need you to hand me this stuff. It's kind of dark, but as you can see, they go in the very back. This, I only use, these are the pans I use when I go raw vegan because I want to eat all my raw vegan food off of these beautiful dishes. I don't know. I'm just weird like that. But I always keep them there. Oh, thank you, honey. You brought a flashlight out. And so now all my mixing bowls. Okay, so I think this half I'm going to use for the Tupperware. And this half I'm going to use for the mixing bowls and the strainers and stuff like that. If they can all fit, but we'll see. Forgot about my loaf pan. Boom. If you guys have any suggestions on what I can buy, because like I like it, but I don't, because I just know it's not realistic. Like every time we do the dishes and the stuff needs to be put away, is someone gonna take the time to stack these all beautifully like this? No, they are not. I know from experience. Nor will they stack these or my bowls. And a lot of it's me too, so what do you guys suggest? I don't know. I feel like I need to get something separate for my lids. If I could put the lids in something separate, that would be helpful. Now this is what I used before. Maybe I could put all the lids in here, but I doubt they'll fit. It's like, I don't know. Let's see. Yeah. Oh, they do fit. Okay. Except for the big ones. It's fine. This, like this. That's better. Listen, any suggestions, leave them down below. But this is light years better than where we were. We donated so much. I have so much set for Goodwill, and we recycled a lot of it. You guys remember how much was on my counter. I mean, it was crazy. And hubby put these all back, which is great. We downsized. It was so much in here, I couldn't even close this. But these are the pieces that we are keeping. A lot of these go to the Pyrex dishes that I have in the upper cabinets, and these go to we have the perfect amount of lids for the rest of the plastic like Rubbermaid set that we kept, and we just donated the rest of it because it's crazy. See, these kind of Pyrex dishes have lids. Some of the Corningware has lids. So, and then those bowls up there, and then I stash candy here for my kids because, you know, gotta watch that. But yeah, I think it looks great coming into the holiday season. If you need to start, you know, making sure your kitchen flows functionally when we have to cook big dinners like Thanksgiving, Christmas Eve, New Year's, you know, now's a great time to start decluttering your spaces so that you can cook more efficiently, you know, because it would take me a while sometimes to dig in here. We had so much stuff, and I knew that I didn't use at least 70% of the stuff that was in this cabinet. So it looks so much better. This is all the mental capacity that I have for today to declutter. So I will tackle the other cabinets. Maybe we'll make this a series, and I will tackle the other cabinets at another time. But let's just do little things that make us happy, make our spaces positive, help us to use our spaces efficiently, and bring us a little bit of joy, because this brings me joy, honey, looking at this. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.